Carrots, wonderful vegetables in any salad. Next time you're having a party and you're making a salad, try doing this to one of the carrots. Take a pair of those little plastic eyes that you can buy at any craft shop for about 2 or 3 cents each and put them on the end of the carrot. There we are. Then make a little mouth out of plastic tape and stick that underneath, a position like that. A couple of toothpicks will make for you some ideal little feelers, like this. And then, with pairs of toothpicks, you can start putting legs underneath the carrot all the way along. When you've assembled enough legs, you'll have the strangest little creature you can imagine. Maybe it'll look something like this. It won't make your salad taste any better, but by golly, it'll sure make it look more interesting. And if you think my carrot creation is wonderful, have a look at this one, which was made by a chef in a Chinese restaurant. He's absolutely brilliant.
Thank you.